Zoisha.
Good morning, everybody. It's your favorite girl Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Sunday, June something. I think the 16th. That's all. Anyways, I am going to look for paint. I need to. I should just came here. Anyways, yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to look for paint because I need to paint my apartment. So I need a color. I need a color for my bathroom. I need a color for my living room. I need a color for my bedroom and my kitchen. So I need 4 paint colors, and I still haven't decided if I want to do like an accent wall or something like that. It can't be anything too girly and I just want neutral stuff that I'll be able to like find furniture to. Yeah, because the only piece of furniture that I have right now is my bedroom set, which was different from the one that I had when I first moved in. Oh shit. So, and then my couch I didn't like, so I returned it, and I haven't gotten another one just because I don't know what I want yet. Like I just bought that because I was initially moving in or whatever, wasted a whole bunch of money. Tips on if you guys are moving out, just wait, don't rush, you know, as long as you have a bed. I feel like that's the most important thing. Everything can come afterwards. So I'm at Home Depot. I'm gonna check here and just get some color options. I took some pictures and videos of my place so I can hopefully get some assistance from somebody. And yeah, so I can get some sort of assistance and help, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I need to know what colors are good to brighten up spaces and make them seem bigger, and all of that kind of good stuff. Okay, so I'm here. I'm gonna look, and then I'll come back and show you guys my options, and you guys can assist me. We're gonna decorate my house together. Okay. So I just left with a whole bunch of options. When I go home, I guess I can like properly like show you guys like what I'm looking at. But he told me this was the best thing to do, was to take some samples, put them up against like the wall in my apartment, because through their lighting I'm not really going to be able to see how it's going to actually look on the walls. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm really trying to stick with like, in my living room, I don't know, I feel like I want like a dark color, because my living room has a balcony and it has big windows. Like my windows in my apartment are huge, so it brings in a lot of light, and I don't have any curtains at this time. And even if when I do put up my curtains, they're going to be open most of the time, because I love how wide the windows are and big, and it lets in so much light. Like right where everything is facing, it lets in so much light, so I love that. So I'm gonna use that to my advantage. So I don't think I really necessarily need like a light color, but I don't know, I was thinking of like a dark blue or like a nice dark green, not too dark, but dark. And then, but then again, that would have to be throughout the house. So that's what I'm thinking. I just want to stick with like gray, because it's neutral, everything will fit with it no matter what I change over the time period that I'm there. My bathroom, I feel like it can be a little bit more creative. I was thinking to go with like a yellow, or like a light blue, grayish kind of color. And then like I just want everything to kind of be neutral, because I'm the type of person that like, depending on my moods, like I'll switch up like the colors of the things in my rooms and stuff like that. Like my towels, like, you know, one minute they'll be yellow, the next minute they'll be pink, the next minute they'll be blue, whatever. So I want a color that no matter what I decide to change the color of any interior stuff in my apartment, I won't ever have to worry about the color of paint on my wall. Or maybe I'll just have to decorate according to that, you know, accent colors or stuff like that, like gold, or just keep it neutral all the time, like white, black, whatever, which is like my thing, white and black. So that's fine, I think. But yeah, and then for my bedroom now, I really don't know what color I want. But yeah, So anyways, now I'm gonna go pick up some groceries and go home and cook. I seasoned my meats already. I just need to go pick up some stuff, go finish cook, and yeah, so when I get home or grocery store, whichever I feel like, I will come back. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kamisha. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Are you 29?
Okay, who wants piece of cookie? It's a cookie. My friend Nuffy? Yes, it's cookie.
Oh, this is the little cookie where y'all talk about the whole time?
Yeah, she said it's a cookie. It's not a cake.
This is not a little cookie.
It's a cookie. Yeah, it's just a cookie.
This is a big cookie.
You guys have some cookie.
All right.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Canada Day, Canada!
Happy Canada Day!
Happy birthday!
Oh, we're gonna snip that part out.
Happy birthday!
Snap, cut. Do it again.
So I'm at my cousin's house. Yes, I was here yesterday, but I didn't vlog because I'm just living life. You know what I'm saying? I'm living life right now in the pool.
So what are we wearing, miss?
Oh, we are wearing my outfit of the day or my swimsuit of the day. You know, I'm repping Jamaica everywhere I go, even though it's Canada Day, you know what I'm saying?
It's alright.
The ring was from my fiance. Somebody's property. Yes, has to be good.
Hold on, let's get a zoom
Yes,
in.
exactly. Oh, never
Let's get a
mind.
zoom
You
in.
guys don't know that anyway, so yeah.
Let's check out the view.
Huh? Yeah, I know. It's a year now. Oh my God.
Hi, Nanny. Say hello. Hey, hi, hello. What's going on?
Happy Canada Day.
Hello. Say wagwan, skipper. Say wagwan, skipper. What's up, Booski? You there? You all right? All right. Mommy, say one. Hey, wagwan. Yo, this camera is so crispy. I can't even believe it.
That's right. Love with every part of you. You put the silent me, I come after you. Not to invest my money and you take me for food night now. So.
Kaya the right kind of girl, what's a big foot, my son, I'm a dad, so don't want any fine wine, yeah, me love you sexy, I love the time right.
So the love me and feel could have last for your lifetime. Big up yourself, Joel. Tiffany said, wow. Yeah, my number one. Me not gonna do you wrong. Me know we turn the family level so we get along. Come party with the gang. Be something else make you drink it there with your girl. Me not go searching on your phone. I'm not that petty girl. Me don't feel the swag. I know you fit my brand. The only thing when I feel you know I go wedding band. The only thing I feel you know I go wedding band for real. That's true, girl. I'm so kind.
I don't think that's safe. That's what I'm saying. Can we not do it above my head? Like,
Are you pregnant?
yes, very pregnant.